Hi friends, Dr. Nancy Trimbley here, Trimbley Chiropractic, putting the power and knowledge of your health back in your hands. Nothing replaces the chiropractic adjustment. So no amount of massage, no amount of surgery, no amount of drugs, no amount of supplements, no amount of TENS unit, ice, heat, stretches, exercise, physical therapy, nothing replaces the chiropractic adjustment. That doesn't mean that you can't add the chiropractic adjustment to what you're already doing, whether that's acupuncture, homeopathy, supplements, whatever else it is. Doesn't mean you can't also do other things. So before you're having that surgery that's necessary, get your chiropractic adjustments. You'll heal faster. After that surgery, get your chiropractic adjustments. You'll heal better. Before you do anything, get those chiropractic adjustments on a regular basis because you will function optimally. Your body will perform better. Your tissues will heal more completely. You'll feel better. You'll be happier. You'll be more charming, more beautiful. Get those chiropractic adjustments. You don't need all of this. Bye for now.